So this is question 4. It's asking us, demonstrate your knowledge by giving a clear, concise solution to each problem. It says, consider the function y equals 2x minus 3. Complete the following function table. Okay. So I'm given this function here, which is y equals 2x minus 3. And then I have this function table here, right? So let me just use these lines and draw this out first. So I have 1, 2, so I'm going to have my first column here. I have 4 lines here. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, so at the top I'm going to have x, x, 2x minus 3, and y. I have the red here, or actually reds and blacks would be -2, -1, 0, and 1. And I have to complete the table here, right? So I can exit this here. And basically all we're going to have to do is basically just substitute our points, right? So 2x minus 3 here is simply just, I can substitute x equals 2 for 2x minus 3, right? So let me just do a sample guy here. So I can say that, I'm going to say that I'm going to substitute my -2 here, right? So -2 minus 3 here. So 2 times -2 is -4 minus 3, which means it's -7 here, right? So my first point here is -7. I can do the exact same thing with -1. I take 2x minus 3, 2 times -1 minus 3 here. 2 times -1 is -2 minus 3. So 2 minus 3 here is -5, right? I can do the same thing with 0 as well. So 2 times 0 minus 3. 0 minus 3 is -3. And finally, I could do the same thing for 1, right? 2 times 1 minus 3. 2 times 1 is 2. Minus 3 is -1, right? So I have all these points here. And these points are actually equal to my y value as well, because I stated that y equals 2x minus 3. So these two function tables are actually the exact same. So I can write down -7, -5, -3, and -1 here. And this will be my correct answer for number 4. It's exactly the same thing. They did the exact same thing, and they put the work in here, which is awesome. -7, -5, -3, and -1, and the exact same table as well. So, and they also graphed this function as well. Perfect. And it shows a linear relationship between those numbers here. So this solution is correct.